Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to focus on batch features found only in the Extreme version of Bluebeam Revu. You can find out which version you're using by going up to the Review menu in the upper left corner of Bluebeam Revu and going down to About. A window will pop up here, what version you have up here. Next, I'm going to jump into my snagging list drawing example and show you the markups list. And here are all the markups that I have for all the different disciplines, structural, electrical, mechanical, that I found walking through and placing symbols, things that I found that were wrong or needed to be fixed. And then you can, of course, create a summary up here. Do a PDF summary, and in here you can select what data you want to be included in that summary. You can filter and sort, so maybe I want to only show the mechanical. Down here I would go, because I added layers to everything, I might select only mechanical, so only the mechanical markups are going to show up in my summary. And then when I go to the output, I can tell it to go to my letterhead as well. I'm going to go in here and just say OK and show you what that summary looks like. It's going to show a preview of all the different markups and all of the data that's associated with that markup. And it all landed on my letterhead. So there you can see the different summaries. And if we go under our batch summary, you'll see that it's all the same setup and functionality here, except we can point to several documents at the same time. So if you have a whole folder full of markups and you want to run a report so that you can send it to your drafting team, indicating who's in charge of what, revisions and things like that, you can do that in here. Just loading up all those drawings. I hope you all took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's batch tools. If you recognize the time-saving value of these batch tools, reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.